The Life of Abraham Lincoln, a story of failure, courage, and leadership. Today, we are going to learn about Abraham Lincoln. He was one of the most important leaders in history, but his life was not easy. He was born poor, he failed many times, and he faced very difficult moments. Yet, he did not give up. Through patience, learning, and courage, he changed his life, and in the end, he changed his country forever. Abraham Lincoln was born in a small log cabin in Kentucky, in the year 1809. His family was very poor. Life was difficult from the beginning. As a child, Lincoln had very little education. He went to school for less than 1 year in total, but he loved to read books, and learn by himself whenever he could. Lincoln often walked long distances just to borrow a book. At night, he read by candlelight. He believed learning could change his future. As a young man, Lincoln worked many different jobs. He was a farmer, a shopkeeper, and a laborer. These experiences helped him understand ordinary people. Before success came, Lincoln failed many times. He lost elections, and faced business failures. Even when life was hard, he refused to give up. Lincoln believed strongly in honesty and fairness. Slowly, he became involved in politics. People trusted him, because he spoke simply and truthfully. In 1860, Abraham Lincoln was elected President of the United States. The country was deeply divided. Very difficult times were ahead. Soon after Lincoln became president, a terrible civil war began. Families were divided. The nation faced great suffering. Lincoln stayed calm during the war. He listened carefully, and made very hard decisions. He believed the nation must stay united, no matter the cost. One of Lincoln's greatest achievements was helping to end slavery. He believed all people deserved freedom. He believed in equal rights. In 1865, shortly after the war ended, Abraham Lincoln was assassinated. The nation mourned deeply. They had lost a leader they respected. Today, Lincoln is remembered as one of the greatest leaders in history. His life shows us that failure does not mean the end. Sometimes, it is the beginning of something great. Abraham Lincoln's story teaches us patience, courage, and learning. Even the smallest beginnings can lead to greatness. Keep going. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned something new today. If you like calm English stories, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next story.